Today we'll be talking about this truck, Mitsubishi Fuso Fe140, and I'll show you how to get to the engine. As you can see, you can't really open the hood here, so some of you might have it like a box trucks, but mine's flatbed, but that doesn't matter as long as it looks like this in the front and similar to him. So what you need to do is you have to go to open this to get to the engine to work on something, and there's instructions right here. But maybe you don't have this. I'll show you how it's done if you don't know. So there's a few things you gotta do. First, you gotta release this. I need two hands. So you gotta release this and then move this. Let's see what I can do with one hand, just like that. Release this and then pull on this at the same time with two hands. There you go, that's done. And then to pick it up, you have one more lever right here, and that to go up. Once you lift it, make sure this is up, and then you lift, and that's how you open it. But make sure it locks on this thing so it doesn't fall on you. But if you'll be working for a while, I'll probably put some safety as well. So this is what it looks like when it's open. To close it, you gotta move this up just like that, and then you can lower it down. Go slow. See, like this one, supposed to first one click, that's clicks, and then you take this and you close it. And there you go. Now it's locked here and there. So there you go. If you have any other questions, let me know, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.